Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be generating a music video which is completely built using AI, right? So starting from the lyrics to the song itself and the music, the video for the song, we'll use only AI and let's see how it turns out.
In the kitchen, steam from matcha tea. Every room a canvas, painting what could be. From Bali lotus petals to Tuscany stone. I close my eyes and suddenly I'm home. Used to drift, let the worries fade away. Waves of calm are washing over me today. In this house.
Okay, so we'll be using Grok for the lyrics generation. So I've written a simple prompt. So basically, I want lyrics for a English lo-fi house song, perfect for party night vibing, and we'll give a go ahead. Okay, so we got the output here, right? So it has also suggested a title, Lucid Drifts, right? Now we have this lyrics, and if you go down, you can see actually we have also gotten this prompt, right? Now we'll go to the Suno app. Okay, so when you use Suno, this is where you land. Now at this moment I have pro plan. It is for around 800 Indian rupees, which will be around $9 or $9-10 US dollars, right? So what I'll do is I'll simply copy this lyrics. Okay, and I'll go to Suno app. Now there are three modes: simple, advanced, and sounds. Now, if you have some idea and you just want Suno app to generate lyrics and everything for you, you can simply describe your idea here. But since we have lyrics and we also have the prompt of how we what styles we want to use, we'll go to advanced, right? We'll simply paste our lyrics here. Okay. Now in the styles, the app has already given us the prompt, so we'll simply copy this and paste it in the styles, right? So chill, lo-fi, hip hop, dreamy, down tempo, 82 bpm, warm vinyl crackle. So it has described very nicely. So we'll then click on create. Once you click on create, you'll see the outputs here. For this video, for the sake of the video, I've already generated a few outputs. So these are the songs. Now since I have pro plan, I can download any song easily, right, as an mp3 audio. Now this is the output. I'll just play first 10-15 seconds of it.
Yeah, floating again. My dream house calling. Moonlight on the Tammy, shadows start to bend. Paper walls whispering where the night never ends. Bamboo in the garden, koi palm.
So that's the output. I'll listen to the second output also. So it has given me four options actually.
Yeah. Float again. My dream house calling. Moonlight on the Tommy, shadows start to bend. Paper walls whisper where
Right.
the
So
night never.
I prefer this version. So we'll be using this song. So you saw how simple it was to use a Suno AI and generate this music. Just few prompts and you have a complete music song. It's a 3 minute 48 seconds and you can see the lyrics also. So it's actually very nice. Now what we'll do is the second step is we'll create videos. Okay, so for the videos now, what I'll do is I'll use simple video clips of 15 seconds. I'll create multiple video clips and then I'll club it simply to get the final video output. I'll not get into too much directions and cinematography. I'll try to create a simple clip. So I've written a simple prompt here: a lone figure approaching. So I'll first create a image output. Okay, so for the video, what I've done is I've tried to create a simple concept wherein a man is walking towards an unknown portal in different landscapes, right? So that was my thought process. Now it was simple. So I've created some outputs, so you can see how I worked on it. So the first input was: a lone figure approaches a glowing portal in a foggy cinematic rainforest, right? So this is the image that I got as an output. Now I tried to animate this image. So then I gave this prompt: he's casually approaching an unknown portal. Okay. simply using this prompt, I've generated this video. Similarly, what I did was I changed the background, right? So he's approaching a glowing portal in a foggy cinematic mountain valley this time, right? And then he's casually approaching an unknown portal. He keeps walking straight towards the portal for a lo-fi music video, slow movement. So then, the output changed a bit, and this is much better than the previous output. Similarly, what I'll do is I'll keep changing the background and getting similar walking output. So next up, what I'll do is I'll take blue ocean, or that kind of a view. So what I'll do is I'll go to the image. Please change the background to fo- foggy cinematic ocean, right? So now what it'll do is it will change the background from valley to ocean. So this is how I'll keep changing the background and keep generating videos. So I'll try to generate around 20 clips, and then I'll show you the final output. Okay, so the final output is ready. So instead of generating 20 videos, what I instead did was slowed down the original video. So a 15-second video went on to become a 23-25 second kind of a video. So instead of 20, it just took me 8-10 clips to complete the whole music video. And the video is ready. So I'll upload it on YouTube for you all to see. Now I'll just show you the snippet of how it turned out.
Infinity pool, reflecting starry skies. Malibu winds playing through the open blinds. Office with the skyline, I just never sleep. Bedroom full of sunlight, cozy corners deep. Bedroom wrapped in silk.
So this video, it took me 2 subscription to generate this entire music video. One was Grok for video generation. It costed around 700 rupees for the entire subscription. I can use it for 6-7 more such videos, right? And second was Suno, wherein I generated the music. It costed around 850 rupees. I believe we can generate more 8-10 such songs. So even if we are able to generate 6 to 7 such videos, it will essentially cost you less than 200 rupees for one music video, which is pretty cool. So I'll upload this music video on YouTube. Go check it out and stay tuned.